Looking at second number 7. So this is arc sine. So we should know that the derivative of arc sine of u is u prime over the square root of 1 minus u squared, right? Or basically this is just chain rule. Normally we have it written as if you do d dx of sine of like arc sine of x, right? It's just 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, because and this would be it if it's just x. But if you have the chain rule times the derivative of the inside function, that would be just u prime here. So u basically is 5x here, right? So u is 5x, okay? So you would just plug it in. So we know that u prime is the derivative, which is what? The derivative of 5x is 5. So you just plug it in, basically, right? So we would say, so that's one way you could do it. So you could just say this is 5 over the square root of 1 minus, and then u is what? U is 5x here. So it's going to be 5x squared. And hopefully from here you should be able to see the answer. It would be easy for you to confuse it if you didn't square it. But you should get 5 over the square root of 1 minus 25x squared. Okay? And this is the answer. But, which is E, I believe, right? Another thing you should have, or maybe another way of thinking about this is you could have just said, okay, so the derivative of arc sine of blah blah is 1 over the square root of 1 minus blah blah squared times the derivative of blah blah, right? That's another way of thinking about it. And of course, this yields the same answer, right, as this one. Anyways, two different ways of thinking about the same problem.